nice. So welcome back to the Chef Ricardo cooking program. Well, today we're going to simply make you a nice, lovely, spicy curry chicken. The reason why someone said to me the other day, Chef Ricardo, I hear you mention that spicy curry chicken in one of your videos. Can you make it for us? I said, no problem, I will definitely make it today. Well, right inside of this bowl right here, I have some chicken, 1 kilo of chicken, which is going to work out to 1 pound in some different country. Well, I'm already get it clean off and remove the skin and get it washed off with some lime juice. Right over here I have some fresh spring onion, and some fresh garlic and some fresh carrot, fresh potato, and some nice lovely scotch bonnet pepper, fresh scotch bonnet pepper right here. As you can see, I'm already cut up it, just a quart of it, because I don't want it to be over too spicy. I'm gonna simply scrape potato inside of the container like this. That's the potato, and right here is the pepper. I'm using quarter of the scotch bonnet pepper. I don't want it to be spicy, and I cut it up very small, as you can see. Right here is the carrot, and also I'm gonna give you the spring onion and the white onion. And right here is got the fresh garlic. I'm using 1 large white onion and 3 stalks of spring onion, and I'm using 3 medium-sized carrot and 4 potato for this lovely spicy curry chicken today. Guys, you're gonna love this one. This one is just really touchable, really nice. It's gonna be a really beautiful recipe, and hopefully you guys are gonna love this one. Well, we're gonna simply put some seasoning. We're gonna marinate it up, and we're gonna put some curry and some chicken seasoning. So if you're at home and you want to make a spicy curry chicken, just use the normal daily seasoning what you normally use for your chicken at home. Marinate the chicken. You can put it in the fridge for 24 hours, use it the next day, and you get a perfect cook. Now we're gonna show you how to marinate. So as you can see, all of it inside. Now we're gonna simply put some vegetable oil, roughly 2 spoons of vegetable oil, and nice. We're gonna simply put 1 large spoon of chicken seasoning inside of it. Get it perfect chicken seasoning, and also some lovely curry powder, or Jamaican better pot curry powder, which you're gonna use a large spoon right here, and 1.5 spoon of better pot curry. I'm using the large spoon, so I'm using 1.5 spoon. Everyday seasoning, nice to use 1 spoon of everyday seasoning, and all-purpose seasoning is good to use also in your spicy curry chicken. Lovely, nice. Now we're gonna simply use your hand and marinate it. No, your gloves, guys. Sorry, use your gloves and marinate it, because remember, you got spices in it. You don't want to put your hand in your eye, get burned, and they say, "What kind of chef this is going on it on YouTube chicken program?" So now we're gonna simply marinate it just like this. You can see everything is inside of it, getting marinated. Get all of those seasoning. Get the potato, carrot, onion, everything is marinating also inside of this lovely bowl today. You guys are gonna love this recipe, and I want to simply say to you guys, this is Chef Ricardo's spicy curry chicken. Serve it plain rice, and if you do like, you can have veg on the side with it also. Beautiful. Look at the color of the chicken already. So that's the way you like your chicken to look. Really colorful, really nice, and also it tastes really nice when it cooks. So you can see, man, that scent is coming so far already. Guys, you're gonna love this one. And if you do use a hand, please wash your hand very carefully after, because I don't want you to put it on in the eye and get burned. So guys, now we're gonna put the camera straight inside of the pot and get that perfect cook from the curry chicken. So at the moment, as you can see, my pot, I have a medium-sized pot, is on the stove. I'm gonna pop just a little bit of oil inside of the pot, because the pot is already dry. Remember, have on the gloves on the hand, because the pot is getting hot. As you can see, that heat is coming out of the pot. That's what you're looking for, that lovely heat. Now we're gonna simply put in that chicken which we had just marinated. Just like this, look. Look at this beautiful color. Really nice. And that's what you're looking for. Simple, cover your pot and leave it for another 3 to 4 to 5 minutes the least. But before you cover it, give it a little stir. And I'm using a wooden spoon because it's a non-stick pot and you don't want to get the pot too scrubbed, so you don't want to use like a high-end spoon inside of the pot. You want to use a wooden spoon. Lovely. High heat underneath it, give it a nice little burn. So now I'm gonna simply just cover the pot like this. Give it a nice 10 minutes and we're gonna get a lovely cooking. You can smell that beautiful scent coming from that pot. The chicken, wow, the curry, the seasoning, the garlic, everything mixed up together. Make sure you have a glass of water ready to pour inside of it when it's ready to cook up. Nice. So what I'm going to simply say to you guys, I did stir it between roughly say about 10-12 minutes now since I have it on, and I've been stirring it in between the 12 minutes because I don't want it to be stick. But as you can see, that juice and it spring up its own juice with the chicken and all the veg, looking lovely also inside of the pot. But the secret with this chicken, why I call it this kind of chicken, is just really nice, and hopefully you guys will like the chicken. So simple, what we're gonna do now guys, I'm just gonna pour roughly 8 cups of water. Not too much water. The only reason why I put this a little amount of water inside of it is just to bring up the gravy a little bit more. But as you can see, chicken looking lovely also so far inside of the pot. And now I'm gonna simply put a little bit of chicken season more inside of the pot just to bring up the flavor, because I had a little bit of water also inside of it. But as you can see, looking thick so far. As you can see, the spicy curry chicken is just looking lovely so far, looking nice, looking good. So let's cover it and give it another roughly set 10 more minutes and it's gonna be ready. Roughly 25 to 30 minutes, everything gonna be take to cook. Nice. So let's remove the cover. Lovely and nice. As you can see, the color of the chicken looking really good. Look at that. Spicy curry chicken. Beautiful. As you can see, looking lovely and nice, color looking good. And as I said guys, you will love this one. Spicy curry chicken. Hopefully you will enjoy the recipe, and thank you very much for watching my cooking program. We have a lot more recipe coming out for you. I'm gonna just simple plate it up now with that plain rice and some tomato and cucumber at the side with the curry. Enjoy the recipe. And it is finished and dusted and done. So it's so simple and easy. So if you're coming from work and you're a little bit late and you want to come home and give the kids them something like this, very quick. All you need to do is to cut down on the pepper, because it's a little bit spicy, as I call it, spicy curry chicken served with plain rice and a little bit of veg at the side. I only use a quarter of a pepper because it is really hot and spicy. You don't want to use too much pepper, so just use a little bit of pepper to kick in the flavor of it. So enjoy the curry, spicy curry chicken, and hopefully you guys will love it. Thank you very much for watching my cooking program. And now I'm gonna, so as you can see, the spicy curry chicken is finished. I'm dusted and done with a little bit of tomato at the side, of cucumber, and hopefully you guys will love the recipe. Plain rice over here. So it is spicy curry chicken and plain rice with a little bit of salad up the side. Hopefully you guys will love the recipe. Thank you very much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program, and as I say, we always tell you guys, we have a lot more recipe coming out. Just see with me, bear with me, we have them and we're gonna give them to you guys. We want to make you guys happy, and hopefully you will just enjoy all the recipe which is coming out very soon to you. So thank you very much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program, and as I say, I'm always happy to give you these wonderful recipes. So if this spicy curry chicken, serve it plain rice. Enjoy the recipe today from Chef Ricardo. Thank you very much. So lovely, nice, colorful, and as you can see, the chicken is outstanding. Look at the chicken, really nice. So hopefully you will just enjoy the recipe, and thank you very much for watching the cooking program. We have a lot more recipe coming out for you guys, and hopefully you will enjoy the recipe. Then thank you very much, and see you in my next video, which is coming very soon.